Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. We will hear more about them later.
This is my conclusion, is that Christmas time as a mom of young children is highly stressful. I had always heard this, never quite understood it, but now I understand it. There's so much pressure to make Christmas time magical, and I have 25 days to do it. Okay, I wanted to do an advent calendar this year. December 1st is tomorrow, which is when Advent starts. I didn't want to do chocolate every day. Doesn't make no sense. Why would I give my child a piece of chocolate every day? Why would I do that? I don't know. Not that he never has sugar, but I noticed like a huge difference in his energy, everything, when he has like even a little bit of sugar. So we're gonna keep it healthy. This is what we're doing. Elderberry gummies, he's obsessed with these anyway, and they're good for his immune system, so why not? I'm going homemade. Y'all know this. Y'all know this. You know that I'm not a craft person. This is not my wheelhouse. I am many things. I'm an amazing mom. Not a crafty mom, but I'll still like attempt things. I saw this on Instagram, making my own version of it. We're almost there. I did this with Cosmo actually, so he like knows it's coming. He helped me decorate the little like toilet paper rolls a little bit here and there, and we're going to put things into them and then cover them and put the numbers on. These are my covers. It's just construction paper. Also, P.S. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. A little trim, but mostly just color. I don't like having dark hair in wintertime or at all. And so I'm gonna be filming more of this vlog. If you're like, continuity error. No, it's continuity truth, because I'm telling you, get my hair done today, not tomorrow. Did I say tomorrow? 1 elderberry per kid. So I have a 4-year-old and an 18-month-old, or 19-month-old. By the way, I always cut these up for the toddler because that's what's safest. Oh my gosh, I have so much to do. 1. Okay, now I'll talk to you while I'm doing this. The other thing that I'm doing with the gummy every day, I'm going to put in little scripture verses and books, like Christmas books that I want to read on each day. So like tomorrow, December 1st, it's the big day. We'll be reading the birth of Christ story. Okay guys, what's happening? This is gonna take me a while. I'm gonna turn you off so I can focus on this.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King.
Okay, we're almost done. I wrote out pieces of paper. You guys, this is not my best writing, but this is my normal writing. This one's really good. The Crippled Lamb, it's really good. This one was given to me by my friend Colleen Patrick Goudreau, and we love this illustrator, Jan Brett. This is a Christmas Trolls book. It's just good. This is a great one, Christmas card from Mr. McFizz. And then what I have is different Christmas carols that I want to teach him. Instead of just like throwing it on, I thought we could like learn as many verses as we can. You know how there's like so many verses in some of these Christmas carols? So yeah, that is what I'm doing. And then the night before Christmas, we're gonna read The Night Before Christmas. We have a pop-up book version of that story, and that's what my husband did when he was a kid, is they always read that book the night before Christmas. And so we're gonna continue on with that tradition. So here's my first one, and I'm going to roll it up. I'm just gonna kind of fold it, and I'm gonna put it in my first little toilet paper roll. By the way, another reason I really wanted to do an advent calendar this year is because my son is thoroughly confused. We had told him like we're planning to get a Christmas tree the day after Thanksgiving. So after Thanksgiving, he woke up and he goes, "Is it Christmas?" I go, "No, honey, it's not Christmas yet." He goes, "But..." Then he runs out, he's like, "Where's the tree?" He thought like we were gonna set up the tree and like do Christmas. He like doesn't understand when Christmas is. It's done, but I don't know. It's not fully dry, and I don't think they're gonna stay. I think I'm gonna have to totally redo the covers, unfortunately. Well, the other thing I was gonna do is some glitter glue on it. I'll work on that later. I gotta go to my hair appointment. Hello. Okay, yes, the most perfect hair color I'm so happy. Here we are alone at the thrift store. I realized I cannot thrift with my children anymore, mostly because of the 19-month-old, the 4-year-old. Great to thrift with, super fun. We are gonna go thrifting alone. I'm excited. I really need some more Christmas decor. I would love it to be festive inside. You know what I want? I want my mother's Christmas decor. I want it. But I live in Idaho now. So I don't know how I'm gonna get it, but I know that she's not using it as much as I would use it. She told me she would send it to me, but we'll figure it out. You know those little trinkets from your childhood? Like, you grew up every Christmas holding this weird Christmas duck, and it is part of you. That's like where I want to have that weird Christmas duck and those weird little elves that go dee, 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 dee. I want those so that my kids have the same childhood memories that I have. Okay, we're gonna hit up at least 2 thrift stores and look for Christmas decor, possibly some Christmas gifts, maybe even a sweater or 2, because I am low on winter gear and I really want to browse the books. I really want to see if they have any treasures, but we gotta get going. And I'm going to film discreetly with my phone. The only reason I'm filming with like a phone is because, I don't know, just get over it, okay? It's not the high quality camera. I'm not gonna bring it into the thrift store because it'll be way too obtuse. If I come out with a chair, don't tell Eric. I always come home with chairs from the thrift store.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Ba-la-la, ba-la-la, ba-la-la.
Okay, that went pretty good. I got lots of red bows. I'll show you at home. I'm gonna head over to one more thrift store. Thrifting without children is so much more relaxing, but still stressful because, I don't know, it takes time. I gotta get home.
jingle, jingle, jingle. Jingle, jingle, jingle.
We definitely have a little bit of a haul to show you. First things first, I'm very excited about is tons of red ribbons. Look at this massive, beautiful red ribbon. This is going to add so much festivity to the house. I'm just realizing how dirty it is, but that's okay. You guys, it's gonna be fine. No one's gonna notice. Like, what is this? Like little feather. This is what happens when you thrift things. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this stuff yet, but I kind of want to just put them everywhere. I just want it to be like, boom! Another challenge was finding cute Christmas decor that my children were not going to break, especially the 19-month-old. And so I found this really cute little wooden rocking horse that has some sort of basket inside. Something could go in there. I don't know what the original purpose was, but I thought it was really cute. Probably gonna put that on the dining table. I found some Christmas cookie cutters, Christmassy tablecloth. I found this cute little hat. Cute, right? And then some Christmas kitchen towels I'm also going to put in the wash. So these will be so nice to have in the kitchen. I've always wanted like lots more Christmas towels. My mom gave me one and I just felt like such an adult the day she gave me a Christmas towel because kids don't have towels dedicated for the holidays. Adults do. I found some poppers used and we've never done poppers before. I don't know what's in here, but we'll find out. My 4-year-old has a cassette player. We haven't used it in a while just because, you know, baby brother tends to break it, but I found a bunch of Christmas cassettes. I almost think I'm not even gonna save these for presents. I think this will just be something I give him now because it's the holiday season. I did find a shirt. I didn't spend a lot of time clothes shopping. I don't know how to dress in cold weather. I don't know. I do not know. But a good long, I have like no long sleeve shirts. So this is just something warm, a little blue turtleneck. We have plenty of mugs, honestly, but these were really cute. Some wrapping paper. I encourage you guys to check out your thrift store for wrapping paper. It's cheaper. You don't have to contribute to more wrapping paper. I'll probably also use grocery bags. I found a xylophone, which by the way, I did find 2 other toys at the other store, like a kid shovel, like a long shovel, because they always want to shovel with me. outside and a fireman hat. I just couldn't bring it in because they would have seen it because they're out there right now. But I found this. Oh, it sounds nice. It doesn't have a mallet, I guess you could call it, but you can use anything. You can use a chopstick or something. Okay, I found these little vintage books. This is the story of the Statue of Liberty, the story of the Constitution, the story of the Declaration of Independence, and the story of the Star-Spangled Banner. And I think that this will be really fun to teach some history because we love reading books. Okay, another unbreakable Christmas decoration was the Santa. So I think this is gonna go on the dining table next to that just because no one can break it. A lot of ribbons, my goodness. This, I don't know. Oh, cool, that's cute. I couldn't really figure out what it was, but it's a ribbon like this. I got 4 of these really nice plates. We have plates, but we've broken several and we're kind of like in need of some more. And I really like these, and I like the idea of more eclectic plates anyway. And so I got 4 big and 4 small. They're not Christmassy, but saw them, loved them, bought them. Sorry for these. They're not flashing in person. I think they're just, when the camera picks them up, they start to flash. So sorry, it's so weird. Here, how's that? Hi, okay, so I'm going to try ribbons on the tree. I thought I had to do like special bows, but I think I'm just gonna, do you guys follow Mulberry House? I think her name's Mulberry House on Instagram. She has a beautiful home, so inspiring. So what she does is she just sort of like throws them on the tree and like lets the kids kind of hang them or tie the quick little bow. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I think I want to try that with the kids this year. So I have a big pile of bows, and I would love some that aren't like just Christmas colors, but I did get some at the store just now. So I think that's gonna be our activity later. I'll have to show it to you when we're all done.
The red light is going on.
All right, that means it's recording. Does it look good?
And there's another red light right here.
Yep. What do you think of these bows? Cute.
So cute.
Okay, so you want to put the stockings on the tree?
Yeah.
Toys in them, it's gonna go like this. It's gonna knock the tree down because the stockings are gonna get all heavy.
So how about
We could not, Cosmo and I could not agree on how we wanted to decorate the tree. I wanted to like throw ribbons on. This is like what everyone's doing these days. Like they throw the ribbon on or they tie it on like a little bow or something. But he wanted to wrap the tree with ribbon. So we kind of have a little bit of both going on.
how I want to do it?
Okay, you show us.
That's how I want to do it.
It looks great.
Huh?
Pretty, right? This is my favorite part.
Snow on here?
Yeah, I do.
A lot of snow right here.
All is calm, all is bright. Round young virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace.
Boom!
This video is brought to you by Squarespace, my favorite website building platform that takes you from A to Z in the website building process without ever hiring a designer. Connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content, manage your members, send email communications, and leverage audience insights all on one easy-to-use platform. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system, use their powerful blogging tools, and manage inventory. Squarespace is my preferred platform because it's incredibly easy to use, fully integrated, and the result is a beautiful website that you can call your own. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Hannah McNeely to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.